While it might seem like everything security and compliance-wise will change by moving to the cloud, the fact is that even in the cloud, financial institutions will still need to continue practicing a lot of what they're already doing. Once in the cloud, a key difference is that the cloud service provider becomes a partner sharing in that responsibility. Who is responsible for what depends on the chosen cloud services model. This shared responsibility can be a big benefit for financial institutions. Partnering with Microsoft will enable financial institutions to take advantage of advanced security and compliance capabilities only available in the Microsoft Cloud. Often, the cloud can help provide better protection from growing digital vulnerabilities and sophisticated cyber attacks than what customers can achieve on premises. For example, best-in-class security measures built using Microsoft's large economies of scale help financial institutions moving to the cloud to reduce overall risk. Built-in compliance functions help to structurally increase overall compliance levels. And because cloud services are often built on the newest technology, financial institutions can make their services more resilient against failures. But before these benefits can be realized with a move to the Microsoft Cloud, there are many risk and compliance considerations that need to be assessed. To help keep any assessment from veering off course or becoming too cumbersome, Microsoft has published a list of steps for financial institutions to follow as they execute an end-to-end risk analysis for Microsoft Cloud services. First, financial institutions can minimize delays due to missing stakeholders or lack of clarity on roles by bringing the key players together and striking agreements on each individual's level of involvement. Rules for engaging with financial and privacy supervisors should also be discussed up front. Try adopting an independent external model for addressing cloud risks, such as the Cloud Security Alliance's Cloud Controls Matrix, which was specifically created for assessing cloud deployments, the widely supported ISO 27001 Information Security Standard, or NIST Special Publication 853. In addition, in case of privacy assessments, financial institutions may want to assess compliance against the GDPR. With Compliance Manager, financial institutions can assess their usage in the Microsoft Cloud against these standards, helping to summarize the responsibilities between provider and customer-managed controls. Several standards are available per cloud service for assessment, and each control includes technical implementation details and third-party auditors' testing methodology. Microsoft has created regulatory compliance checklists for many countries explaining how to ensure the cloud deployment is compliant with all relevant local regulations. These guides also reference specific contract language that meets regulatory requirements within each country. More and more regulators require financial institutions to prepare a strategy document which explains how they would recover from a major cloud service provider failure. To support financial institutions with this assessment, Microsoft publicly provides transparency on continuity testing. Prepare a short principles-based document listing key threat scenarios that might lead to an exit taking place, and detail strategies on how these can be achieved, highlighting key process phases, involved staff and their responsibilities, dependencies, timing, and cost estimates. The business case, risk assessment, compliance assessment, and the risk exceptions to be approved should now be combined in a management letter asking for formal approval to start consuming the cloud service. Consider what notification or approval requirements may apply in your applicable jurisdictions for a new outsourcing arrangement, and notify your supervisors accordingly. Strive for maximum transparency by not just notifying regulators if it's mandatory, but inform all supervisors on the recently approved case. The Microsoft Cloud Financial Services Compliance Program was created to provide additional human assistance to help financial services and regulated financial affiliates assess the risks of using Microsoft's cloud services. This program is optional, but offers deep insights into Microsoft Cloud capabilities, risks, and performance. An added benefit for program members is the opportunity to engage directly with Microsoft engineers and program managers to learn about security and compliance. And compliance program members have the chance to talk to and learn from other industry peers in the program. Microsoft is committed to helping minimize risks and ensure a smooth migration, and has many financial customers who have successfully assessed our cloud services, informed their regulators, and deployed our solutions. A detailed step-by-step white paper is available for anyone looking for guidance on how to execute an end-to-end risk analysis of Microsoft services for compliance in the financial sector. Download your copy today.